Welcome friends, it's Saturday morning, so we are going to recreate another one of the most viewed recipe videos on YouTube. And this morning I think I want to do a slow cooker recipe. And so we will filter that by view count. And the number one is Gordon Ramsay, but it's not a slow cooker recipe, it's slow cooked. And the number two is also slow cooked, not slow cooker. So both Gordon Ramsay and Jamie Oliver are gaming the metadata to work the YouTube algorithm to be at the top. Shame on you guys. So the number one is actually One Pot Chef Show with 3.1 million views for a slow cooked chicken dinner. Let's take a look at that.
I'm going to make our seasoned marinade mix. Into a small jug, I have got a quarter of a cup of...
So you know what, this looks like a pretty straightforward, tasty recipe. And you know, I really like the One Pot Chef. I like David. He's very relaxed on camera. There's no fuss. There's no frilly bits. He gets down to cooking and makes it very easy for everyone to understand. And I really admire that. And I also like that he puts the recipe in the drop-down box right below the video, so you don't have to shuffle off to some website to find it. So, let's get started. So this is a super simple recipe to prep. There's really not much in it, and it won't take you very long to get everything ready and get it in the crock pot, which is the whole purpose of having a crock pot recipe. And I think David has done a really good job, but we'll find out in the end. So I'm going to juice some lemons because you need fresh squeezed lemon juice. Okay, so lemons, squeezed, squozen, squeezed. Now, I've got a cup of olive oil, and we mix the lemon juice into the olive oil. And then we tossed in some oregano, some onion powder, salt, freshly cracked pepper, and crushed garlic. And we just give that a mix. Now we just put everything into the slow cooker. So David suggests using skinless, boneless chicken breasts. I am not a huge fan of skinless, boneless chicken breasts, but I can see in this recipe how they are the preferred cut of chicken. You don't ever want to put chicken skin in a slow cooker. It just isn't pretty, not pretty at all. So chicken goes in the bottom, and David piles all the carrots on one side, and then he piles all of the potatoes on the other. And I don't know if that is important for the recipe. We'll find out. And then you just pour your sauce mixture over top. Put the lid on, and then we run that on high for 4 hours.
So, all right, so this is the most popular YouTube recipe for a slow cooker meal.
This is the most watched slow cooker recipe video on YouTube. So
Okay, well,
we'll give it a try.
I like its simplicity.
It is very simple. So this is a sharp knife, but it didn't slice. So, you know, it's pulled chicken.
So it's well done.
Yeah.
That's fine. It's hot, real hot.
It is hot. It's hot. It just came out of the slow cooker.
right, so that was, pleasant. Okay, the irony is I'm not that fond of cooked carrots, so this is going to be a tough one.
Well, so,
Or mushy.
yeah. To me, the chicken doesn't have a whole lot of flavor.
There are a lot of extra flavors. I mean,
no-
conveniently, carrots and potatoes bring a lot of flavor to things, to me, like especially carrots.
But the chicken doesn't really have any flavor. And I actually think the chicken's kind of dry.
And I find the vegetables are overcooked for me.
So,
So what is it?
well, we don't eat a lot of stuff in a slow cooker. Except
that's
for,
true.
Except for like chili. We'll make chili or a soup in the slow cooker.
And I think a lot of that has to do with the fact that it's a large size of stuff.
Yeah. So, and I always find no matter how you cook a chicken breast, unless it has been brined, with
If it's off the bone, it's
with that sort of, it has that fake texture of being brined, but it is juicy and it's succulent. And I don't know. I think we could do this better in a Dutch oven, in the oven, with some more vegetables.
well, I'd always go with more vegetables.
A little bit
An
more
onion,
yeah,
some
onions and a little bit more flavor.
parsnip, maybe.
Yeah,
Any
something-
vegetables, any root vegetables you want. Yeah, turnip,
And thighs.
rutabaga.
And for this type of cooking,
Oh yeah,
thighs.
chicken thighs, cheaper too.
Well, cheaper, but
but you know.
but they
Lots of flavor.
lots of flavor, and they cook better over a longer period of time like this. They're going to hold up. They're going to be
They've
juicy.
got a higher fat content
Fat
to them.
content, yeah.
So
So yes, this is the most watched slow cooker recipe on YouTube, and One Pot Chef did a great job. I think this is, if you were cooking for yourself or for a family and you were very busy and you just wanted something that you could toss in the crock pot in the morning, go to work.
yeah, you might have a salad on the side or
Yeah.
something else that goes with it. Yeah.
This is fantastic.
Oh yeah.
At the risk of sounding like a total jackass,
Really?
yes,
You can. I'm ready.
I think we could do better, but not in a slow cooker. I think this is the best that it can be
In the
a-
slow
in the
cooker.
slow cooker. Hands down, definitely yes. David, you did a great job. But let's do this in a brazier or a Dutch oven in the oven, and we'll see what we can do. Same flavor base. So, thanks for stopping by. See you again soon.